Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the wildflower stitch. This is a really pretty stitch that looks like bunches of wildflower buds. So to start this stitch you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 2 plus 2 plus 1 for your turning chain.
So to start our wildflower stitch we're going to be working in the third chain from a hook. Now I'm going to have the turning chain count as our first stitch, so I've just marked the first chain from a hook so I know where it is. And then in the third chain, 2, 3, I'm going to make a single crochet. Okay, so turning chain counts as the first stitch and the single crochet we just made is the second stitch of the row. And then for row 1 all we're going to do is make a single crochet in every stitch across. Okay, so row 1 is just a plain row of single crochet. And last stitch. Okay, so just all single crochet for row 1. So now we're going to turn, chain 1, and I'm going to make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. And I'm just going to pop a stitch marker in there. Okay, so in the next stitch I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Now I'm going to skip the next stitch, and in the following stitch I'm going to make 2 double crochet again. So it's a nice easy repeat for this row. Skip the next stitch, make 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and repeat this all the way across the row. Skip the next stitch, double crochet in the next. This makes it a really lovely easy stitch to do. Skip a stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, skip a stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, and then when we get to the last 2 stitches we skip a stitch and make 1 double crochet in the last stitch of the row. And that's row 2. Row 3, we're going to turn, chain 1, make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row, just move my stitch marker up, and then make a single crochet in each stitch across. So it's just a plain row of single crochet in every stitch. And single crochet in the last stitch of the row. So now we're going to turn and move on to row 4, and we're going to chain 1 and make a double crochet turning chain in the first stitch. Okay, so now we're going to skip the next stitch and make 2 double crochet in the next. So we're going to be doing the same as we did in row 2, it's just that we're moving everything over a stitch so that everything is a bit staggered. So instead of being in line with each other, our sets of 2 double crochet are going to sit in between. So after you've made your 2 double crochet in the same stitch, skip the next stitch and make 2 double crochet in the next. And repeat this all the way across the row. Skip the next stitch, make 2 double crochet in the next. Oops, drop my loop there. So 2 double crochet in the next stitch, then skip the next stitch and make another 2 double crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, skip the next stitch, 2 double crochet in the next, and then 1 stitch left, make a double crochet in the last stitch of the row. That's row 4. So now we turn, chain 1, row 5, make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row, and then single crochet in each stitch across. So row 5 is just a repeat of row 3, and we're just making single crochet in every single stitch. Okay, so the wildflower is just a repeat of rows 2 to 5, and you carry on repeating those 4 rows until you have as many rows as you need.
And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the wildflower stitch. I would love to see what you make with this stitch. Please do come and show us over in our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbit and Stitch. The link is beneath the video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well for more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips as well. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time for the next video. Bye for now.